Okay, so we're working with the 66 Cadillac Fleetwood left side. Alright, a little bit back over. We're going to hook up our ground. Make sure when you hook it up to the car it has a good ground there. These contacts are nice and clean, as you can see. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead with the blue wire here. Alright, now the white one. Okay, now the blue one again. Now the white one again. Alright, so basically pulling the other one off the shelf, we had a problem, a little accident with it, a little oops. So we hurried up and we took one off of our other 66 Fleetwood that we have. It's the same thing. You know, just want to make a video showing you that we do test it. You know, so we're going to get this one right out to you. Alright, just going to shoot you a quick email.